Hi kids, welcome to Happy Hug Time, where playtime is learning time.
Hey kids, are you ready to slither into the world of super cool snakes? Look kids, it's a snake! Snakes don't have legs, but they can glide smoothly on the ground. Say hello to the cobra, kids. When it feels scared, it spreads its hood to look bigger. Wow! Here comes the mighty python. It's super long and squeezes its prey tight with its body. Now meet the boa constrictor. It's calm and catches its food without using any venom. This is a viper, kids. It has sharp fangs and is very venomous. Better watch from afar. Let's check out the rattlesnake. It shakes its tail to make a rattle sound and warn others away. Ready for the anaconda? It's the heaviest snake in the world and loves to swim. Here's the garter snake, kids. It's small, colorful, and totally harmless, often found in gardens. Meet the corn snake. It's brightly colored and often kept as a friendly pet. Have you heard of the king snake? It's brave enough to eat even venomous snakes like cobras. Look up! It's a green tree python. It curls around tree branches and looks just like a leaf. Here comes the ball python. When it's scared, it rolls into a ball, like a shy little toy. This is the rosy boa, kids. It has soft pink stripes and is super gentle and calm. Say hi to the milk snake. It's colorful and fun to look at, and totally harmless. Now meet the black mamba. It's fast, quiet, and one of the sneakiest hunters around. Look at the coral snake, kids. Its red, yellow, and black stripes are pretty, but it's venomous. Here's the eastern hognose snake. It's super silly. It plays dead or hisses when it's scared. Wow, a bush viper. It has spiky, colorful scales like a flower sitting on a branch. Now comes the sea snake. It swims in oceans and is great at catching fish. This is the brown snake, kids. It's tiny and quiet. Many people don't even notice it. Here's a tree snake. It's long and skinny and loves to climb up trees. Let's meet the rat snake. It's a farmer's friend because it eats up all the pesky rats.
This is the sand boa, kids. It's round and chubby and loves to hide under sand. Say hello to the eyelash viper. It has tiny scales eyelashes above its eyes. So fancy. And finally, the rainbow boa. In the sunlight, its shiny body sparkles like a rainbow. Wasn't that a super fun snake adventure, kids? Remember, snakes may look scary, but many are shy and full of surprises.